how to install IPA files on iPhone forever. Alright, so let's begin with the video. As we all know, sideloading an IPA file on an iPhone or iPad usually requires a certificate, which can be tricky, especially if you don't have a computer or a certificate. But in this video, I'll show you how to sideload apps without any certificate or trusting any certificate and verifying the certificate, and also without computer or jailbreak. Before I start, let me show you that currently there are no certificates present in VPN and device management section of my iOS device, indicating that I have no sideloaded apps in my device. Now, for the demonstration, I will sign and sideload the live container IPA file without any certificates. However, you can sideload any apps or games as long as you have the IPA file. Let us first download the IPA file from the Assets section. Once the IPA file is downloaded successfully, it's time to sideload the IPA file. The IPA installer here in question is TrollStore. Let's launch the TrollStore app and tap on the plus icon as shown. You can either sideload the app using IPA method or just use the URL to the desired file without even downloading it. For the IPA method, tap on Install IPA File and locate the IPA file. Here it's the live container app, and when you see a pop-up like this, simply tap on Install to sideload the app. And as simple as that, the app is sideloaded successfully. The app can be launched without even trusting the certificate like this pop-up, which you usually see after sideloading the app. And what's extraordinary is that even after sideloading the app, there is no certificate present in VPN and device management. And with the URL method of sideloading, we require the URL to the file. But before that, let me uninstall the app. Now let's go back to the GitHub page. Just copy the URL of the desired file. Launch the TrollStore app, tap on the plus icon, tap on Install from URL, finally paste the URL and simply tap Install. Now simply tap on Install when you get this pop-up, and that's it. The app will be sideloaded successfully. Let's cross-check once again, and as you can see, the app is installed and also it's opening without any issues or errors. And looking at the device management section, as you can see, there is no certificate available. So to download TrollStore, make sure to visit this website. It shows a detailed table that lists device chipsets along with their supported iOS versions. For each chipset and iOS version, there's a dedicated guide to help you with the installation process. To find out your device's chipset, you can download an app called AI-S64 from the App Store. Once you launch the app, it will show your chipset information. So if I refer to the table on the website, I can see that I'm eligible to use the TrollStore method to install TrollStore. All I have to do is tap the hyperlink and follow the step-by-step guide. And that's it. So that's basically how you can install IPA files on iPhone forever. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.